welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Apoorva and I make DIY fashion and lifestyle videos every week. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert your old boring shirt into a backless bow tie top. So stay tuned. Materials needed for this project are an old shirt, scissor, draping pins or safety pins, seam ripper or safety pin, sewing machine and thread. First we are going to remove the pocket. Now we are going to remove the collar. Invert your shirt and remove the stitches on the armhole. Do this on the other armhole as well. Fold your shirt in the middle. Take a crop top that fits you fine because your top should sit right at your waist or else it won't fit you well. Make sure the shoulders are matching. Now leave extra margin for the stitches and mark it. Now start cutting wherever you have marked. Mark the middle point at the back of your shirt. Take a ruler and mark a straight line from the neckline to the point we marked. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Now cut the back part of the shirt where we have marked. At the end, cut a little bit extra where there is a sharp point, just a half an inch. Cut this. Now make two straps out of the remaining fabric of width 2 inches and length around 18 to 19 inches. Now we are going to stitch the armhole by double folding it. Once that's done, we are going to stitch around the neckline from back all the way round to the front neck and then going towards the back of the other side. Once that's done, we are going to stitch the bottom of the shirt by double folding it. Now take your strap and fold it once and fold it again. So basically we are again doing a double stitch, but this time we are making a small double fold just like this and stitch it. Do the same thing on the other side as well. So this is how it's gonna look. This is the front and this is the back. Do the same thing on the other strap as well. Now we are gonna iron all the pieces. Once that's done, we are gonna attach the straps at the back. Take your strap and put it just below your back of the shirt neckline and then pin it up. Do the same thing on the other side as well. Now we are gonna stitch around the strap. Do a double stitch so that it is secured well. Try it out and see if it fits fine. If not, then just tighten it up a little on the sides. You're gonna put a stitch on the placket at the front and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, you already know what to do. Please hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.